What's good, Black Star Podcast? Uh, yo, wait a minute. I just want to say one thing, and I know there's a lot of scammers out there, but have y'all ever had a scammer say that I'm gonna teach you how to make 8 figures, and she's never touched 6 figures? Oh Jesus! What the fuck is going on in this world? Look. I know what the title of the video says from Jay, but let's look at this hot retarded ass mess, because ain't no way this shit made sense.
If I pay so you, like so the thing is called From Section 8 to 8 Figures. So teach you how to be an 8-figure earner basically is the outcome.
Section 8 to 8 figures. Who's that?
That's like with the workshop. No, that's with the workshop that I'm putting out. Like, it's teaching women to go from low income to actually 7-8 figures type thing.
You said you make $70,000 a year.
Mm-hmm.
You said you haven't made $100,000 a year yet.
As far as like profit, yeah, but it's not out yet. I'm just. You asked me a question, and I'm telling you.
But your workshop that you're putting out,
yeah, it's not out yet. When's it
gonna be out?
When I feel like it's ready. It's not ready.
When will it be ready?
Book and everything. Like, I'm writing a book now.
So you're writing the book now.
Mm-hmm.
You're writing the book now from Section 8 to 8 figures. Yeah. You picked that because it's a cool name.
No,
has
I picked
alliteration.
it because I stayed on Section 8 before, and like, I know I'm a millionaire. Like,
you know you're a millionaire?
Yes.
Are you?
Yes, I am. You gonna see it? We friends now.
Yeah, we friends now, for sure. Yeah. But you're saying you're a millionaire now?
Yeah. I trust God that I'm going to make some $100,000 months this year. Facts. Big old facts.
You know, if you make some months of $100,000, it still won't take you to 8 figures.
Right, because taxes. Well, it's seven. But I'm just saying, you got to know that this is like Section 8 to 8 figures. That is like a metaphor.
Wow. That's all I got to say. Wow.
Bro, what the? Can I ask y'all a question? And this is not me trying to be an asshole. This is not me trying to be an asshole. Don't take it as such. Don't take it as me trying to be an asshole. But if you've only made $70,000, how are you trying to sit here and tell us that you're going to teach us to make 8 figures when you've never touched 100K? I've never said that I wanted to be I want to be a money management coach. I never said I wanted to do any of that shit. I'm still trying to get my own fucking life together. If I've been on Section 8 and I'm only making 70K, and you try to have a gimmick of saying that you're going to teach women or teach men how to make 8 figures, and you've never done it, how is that possible? There's a lot of shit I don't know, and I'm not going to sit here and put that shit out because I don't want my image to be fucked up. I swear, all of these people boy, you can't make this shit up. Like, okay, I get it. You want to make a certain amount of money. Okay, I understand that. But the problem comes in where you're trying to sell a product and the product is not what it's cracked up to be, and you just basically putting the product out there to get rich. Same thing Fresh and Fit's doing. What is going on in today's world where these people really actually have the thought process and the mindset of just putting a bullshit workshop out, and trying to basically make money off of people's ignorance and vulnerability because they need money. I don't understand. I don't understand how you think that's acceptable, especially since a lot of people get caught up in these scams all the time. I really don't understand that. And the real bad part is, the way that this shit's going, a lot of people are that gullible. A lot of people are that fucking gullible. And the thing is, damn. A lot of people are that gullible, and the thing is, they're gonna continue to get scammed out of money. But anyways, like, share, subscribe, channel support, podcast, spot that come out. I'll see you guys on the flip side. Thank you guys. Like, share, subscribe, channel support, the podcast, spot.com. I'll catch you guys on the flip side, and thank you guys for listening. Bye, guys.